Hello, today we are recording a very overdue video on a model that I was supposed to build about 4.5 months ago. Today we are doing a video on the 2020 build 1932 Ford 5-window. In the background you can obviously see I upped the value of the recording studio by about 15 cents, so keep that in mind today. Now this build was done in a single 9-hour build session. It's got a couple minor fitment issues, most of which are my fault. This is a very good kit, although this isn't a review, so let's stop talking about it. I've had this planned since right after I finished the green 32 from 2019. I would have liked white walls in the front, but they were kind of a pain. The rear ones turned out okay as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to try not to hover on that hubcap because I've just seen you can really see my reflection in that a good bit. There's not too much going on up here. I went with these tail lights and that license plate. No bumpers, no fenders. In the window you can quickly see we've got a few decals to cover up glue spots. Got Eat at Joe's, drag races at the airport, and lion drag strip. That's about all there is on that window. This one actually rolls, unlike most of my other kits. Now, the front tires are actually from the '69 Mustang, the Rat Rod Mustang. The interior on this is one of my nicest, I think. There are no brush strokes in it. It's all brush paint, though. It was kind of a pain to get it like that, but I love the effect. You can really look on down in there and see the lack of focus on this camera. Body colored dash top. Very minimalist detail in there. Then underneath, actually, I'm very happy with. Got a whole lot of nothing, but it's super clean and simple. And the camera's not focusing again because there's too much shiny stuff, which is kind of inconvenient. I'm just going to set it on its side and there you go. So you see we've got the clean setup down here. There's not a whole lot of anything. Painted the ends of everything, just about everything red. Got the springs in the back, blue brake calipers, yellow shock bodies obviously. Once again, no brush strokes in any of them. That's not even going to focus, I don't know what I'm trying to do. And then since the hood's so eager to come off, it all lifts off in one piece. Put gold vinyl in it because I was hoping it would turn out better and it really didn't. And you can see the engine up here. It's nothing over the top. No wiring in it or anything. Altogether a pretty fun little car to build though. I like doing one every year. This one has the radiator hoses. Quite a few of my cars don't have both, because usually the lower radiator hose is a pain to get to on most of them. But that is going to do it for this build. I didn't show you the grill, or at least I didn't mention it. Look at that grill. Anyway, I'm going to let you go now. This one rolls. And I'm going to see you in the next one. The next one's actually going to be a 1929 Model A model. Same scale, 1/25th, obviously. And followed by that, we're going to have a 1969 GTX build. Until then, yeah.